My people, look at this here. This is a pillow I had on my bed with pillowcases, and I noticed at night I'm getting this strong chemical scent, and I'm choking and I'm coughing and I can't understand why. So I changed my bed today and I decided to take this out of the fur cover I have it in. And when I open it, to my surprise, come hold this for me, Michelle. Hold on, people. Don't mind me pots on my table. Okay. No, just open that. Let them see it, Cheryl. Now, my people, look at what I open up to. Look here. Look at this, my people. Look at this. Look at that.
The plastic is melting.
This is melted like a gel and terrible. Watch.